put a zip tie at the top, right? You're gonna just massage. You see how it is now?
Yeah.
You're gonna massage both ends of the where the zip tie is, right? So you get it to that. You see how nice that is?
Yeah.
So you get another zip tie, right? Don't crank it down, like right underneath of it. You're gonna start to slide that down, okay? And in the meantime, you're gonna keep massaging it, both sides of it. So basically, you want it to look like there's one cable
Yeah.
coming down. You know what I mean? Obviously you're gonna have some divers. You know what I mean? But the
Some
more
free-
the more you
freeways.
massage it, the more it looks
Like one.
clean.